What's up, you fucking dingoes? So on today's episode, gonna fix a fucking SAG on the KBD Rear lip. It's not holding well with the double-sided tape, so we're gonna make some brackets and yeah, took off the exhaust.
So right now we're just marking it up right here. We just marked where we're gonna drill using this wire just as a guide, and then we're gonna drill right there for the bracket, just so we have an idea. And this is the aluminum bracket that I got from Home Depot. We're just gonna try to make at least like 4 brackets out of them. And this is the measurement right here. So right now I just measured about 6 inches for this thing right here. Yeah, so we're gonna try that out for the bracket and see if it fits. Pretty much this is how the fitment is supposed to be, with this wooden plank right here just holding it on the bottom. And then we're trying to put a bracket right here in the inside so that it stays flush like this, because the double-sided tape, it won't stick anymore. So this is it without the plank. And then we just have some vice grips. Right now just holding it for the mock-up of the bracket. That's the bracket right there. This is what the bracket looks like on the inside. We put 2 bolts right here, and then that's the bracket right here, and then it goes on the inside, so that's not sagging. It looks a little bit cleaner and you can't see the bolts. And we're probably going to put one right in this area. It's pretty much just some bolts and nuts, the hardware that we're using. Just over time we just accumulated and to reuse them. If you're just wondering what type of things we used, yeah. Okay, so we got the first bracket on. We're probably gonna put another one right here just so that it's perfect. Alright, so here's the clips I was talking about earlier. Mounted on the body right here. We drilled holes, and then to the bracket we drilled on the bottom of the lip.
So it's gonna mount like this.
And yeah, it'll mount like that. Alright, y'all, so we pretty much finished on this side, and it looks pretty damn good. Didn't really need to put new double-sided tape on here because it's pretty fucking sturdy. It almost looks OEM. And then I'll show you guys the bracket on the inside. This is the bracket we made for the back side. We had to bend the shit out of this aluminum and just like hella finesse it a little bit. So it's a lot longer piece compared to these two right here that we made. It's not bad. It's like a lot sturdier than the double-sided tape, and it's just gonna prevent it from sagging. And then obviously we bolted it right here originally. Alright boys, and for this next one we're just gonna be wrapping this rear visor that I got from HICC. Been waiting for this fucking part forever. It's been out of stock for like 2 years, and people were like overcharging this part for like $600 on eBay. Fucking insane. And it's only worth like $100 on their website. But shout out to my boy Erwin. He caught me this for Christmas. We've been waiting for this for so long, and we're just gonna wrap it white so that it can match the SC. And yeah, let's get to it. Finished on the rear visor. It's been like probably like over a year since I wrapped, so it's kind of rusty, but I was able to finish it in like 2 hours, and it doesn't look too bad, right? On this part right here, you can actually see the HIC logo. It's very faint though. I don't know if you can see it on the camera, so it like pops through the wrap, which is pretty cool. But I had to work around the double-sided tape that already came on it because I didn't want to take it off and then reapply it. That would have been a bitch. So I just worked around it, post-heated it, and it doesn't look too bad. Besides this part right here, this part is, don't pay attention to that. But yeah, and then the next clip, we'll just pretty much install it. And then it pretty much just goes like that on the back. And yeah, let's get to it. Right now we're just prepping the double-sided tape.
Yo, what's up, boys? Almost done with the video, but pretty much me and my friends are just gonna go to this local car meet that we usually go to every year, and I'm just filming on my phone camera, but pretty much I just want to shoot with this new little pocket disposable lens that I got. Fuck, I don't know if you can see it, but it's a little dark in my room. It looks like that, and it shoots like a little vintage filter on a mirrorless camera. I'm just trying to get some clips of my SC and some cars, so see how this goes. I heard this filter is pretty cool. It's a little gimmick. And yeah, peace.
Hey, Juice, let me know, sir.
Okay,